Hi, this is Steve Smith at Southern Maine Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Saco, Maine. This is stock number 8619. This is a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's in fantastic shape, and it also has some excellent equipment on hand, added features that make this a real special van. Let me tell you about it. 2010, 29,000 miles on this vehicle. It's a certified pre-owned vehicle here at Southern Maine Motors. It's a Chrysler Dodge certified, nationwide certification, extended warranties and guarantees we can tell you all about. This is a 6-cylinder engine, front wheel drive. We've got fog lamps here to the front on the bumpers. We've got 17-inch tires and aluminum alloy wheels, a real nice looking wheel package on this. You're going to see a mounted set of step sides already on this vehicle that are going to aid getting in and out. This one is well equipped. It's got the darker burled walnut trim, power windows here for the rear that are operated from the driver's, actually the passenger, driver's side. Power windows and locks, of course. Power seat. Now this is equipped with leather seating. We've got gray leather interior, leather wrapped steering wheel, about 29 to 30,000 miles on the odometer, as you can see. We've got thumb tip controls over a number of features, plus a cruise control stick already mounted. Here in the center, you're going to see heated seats here for both front driver and passenger to enjoy. Dual zone climate, rear climate as well. We've got traction control, audio system with CD player and auxiliary input for MP3 players. We have got fog lamps, map lamps. We've also got a rear bus style mirror for you to watch your rear passengers, and some controls over the power sliding rear side doors and the rear lift gate. Now, as you notice here at first glance, this one has got a remote key fob, and a couple of clicks is going to give you some power operation here for the door. So you've got power sliders, a wonderful feature. Center buckets in the stow and go seating style, so you can fold those out of the way. The rear bench has got seating for 3, so we're looking at 7 passengers. Overhead we do have some storage consoles and rear air and climate control. Another couple of clicks will shut that door for you. Privacy glass throughout, so darker glass. This is an SXT model. A couple of clicks here on the lift gate, and you will have a power lift gate, so that will pop right open for you. Easy access to load in cargo. When your hands are full coming out of the grocery store, you got any luggage, that makes it real easy. Lots of storage space in the well here, or you can fold the seats down out of the way and get the extra cargo space you may need. A few clicks as well, and that'll bring that down. The key fob also has a remote starter already on hand, already included, so that's a nice feature as well. If you notice over the top, we've got roof racks already installed in this vehicle. Nice shape, slick looking. This SXT is a great package to have. 30,000 miles on a 2010, certified pre-owned. What a great buy here at Southern Maine Motors in Saco, Maine. My name is Steve Smith. Give me a call. We'll check on availability and schedule a test drive for you. I'm at 207-282-4101. Stock number 8619, a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Beautiful van, some nice options. You can see this and all the other great vehicles available on our website at southernmainemotors.com.